Hello friends, welcome to my creative innovative channel to watch more interesting videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on attendance system, face detection, face recognition, then supervised and unsupervised learning videos, then face logging and many more. Today's video is really innovative and interesting. It is about facial emotion recognition with probabilities. We have gone through plenty of videos on facial emotion recognition using fear library, using deface library, using streamline, using tkinter and many more. So let us go through the program first. This is all about facial emotion recognition with probabilities. Now I will be executing the program for facial emotion recognition with probabilities. Yes, fine. Probabilities are there and neutral, happy is going high. Angry is increasing, then happy is increasing. Sad is taking little bit. Yes. Neutral. Scared is new. It is determining. Neutral, it is taking more. So with probabilities we are seeing facial emotion recognition. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative, innovative videos on machine learning using Python with something new ideas, something new creative videos on face recognition, face detection, attendance system, then facial emotion recognition, then face login, then streamline, MTCNN, VGG phase 2, then deface and many more. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.